Hi, welcome. Marta Vale with Realty One Group MVP. I'm here today in front of my listing at 4540 Lamaida Lane in Ave Maria. This is Avalon Park in Ave Maria. And the great thing about this house, it's one of the lowest priced single family homes with a pool. Actually comes with a pool and a hot tub. I'll show it to you. And let me just turn this around. So here it is, and I'm really sorry about the weather. This is not our normal Florida weather. It's pretty gloomy today, but usually it's mid-December. It's really nice usually. So this is very unusual for us. And so let me show you. This is a 3-bedroom plus flex room. It's an open flex room, 2-bath home with a 2-car garage, and has a glass door here in the front, which is really nice. It allows the light to come in. And then as you come in, you see right away the great color palette here. So you have a Plantation Shutters over here. Then you see the dark blue over there as an accent. This is the living room. This is the open flex room right here. So if you want to, you can also enclose this. I'll just go back a little. You can enclose this and have another den. Here's again the front room. And in the front to the left, you go to the garage. I'll show that in a little bit. So over here to the side, you have 2 bedrooms. Nice size, carpeted with a fan and Plantation Shutters. Here's the bathroom that these share. It's all really nicely maintained. And then also over here, also fan, Plantation Shutters, really nice size. The bedrooms, the beds I think are more or less queen size. Yeah, this one is for sure queen size. This one too. So you can see there's quite a bit of space. So again, here the flex room, the living room over here. Furniture is negotiable here. The TV's conveyed. There's also a fan right here above me. You have nice counter space here. Backsplash. Everything really nice here in the back. The dining area with the view of the lanai and the pool. So we'll come back to that. And over here to the right, you have the master. And also from the kitchen, you have right away access to the laundry. And it's a separate laundry room, which is really nice. You have some cabinets here and a little bit of space. This here is the master. Also really nice size. The whole house is 1,554 square feet. You have a tray ceiling here, fan again, Plantation Shutters, and also in the master walk-in closet, you have custom closets over here. Really nice. Very practical. And well organized. There's a pocket door right here. Dual sink. Also again, this beautiful color over here. This is a linen closet. Now let me show you the outside. So here you have the lanai with a fan and a TV. So you can actually be watching TV, like a football game, from your pool over here. There's a hot tub right here. The hot tub also conveys with the house. It's really pretty. Really pretty. We're very close to the center of town. So actually, not sure if this is visible here, but in between these houses, like right there, is actually the Rosary Lake. So the church is basically straight ahead. We're not far from that. The Rosary Lake is really nice. It has 3 parts, and the loop around the 3 parts is 2 miles long. So that's also really great. So a lot of people will be going in the mornings to pray the rosary, for a walk, running, walk their dogs. It's very nice. And then over here, I'll show you the garage now. And here in Avalon Park, the HOA also takes care of the landscaping, so you don't have to worry about that either. This is the garage, very spacious. There's actually some gym equipment, but that one does not convey. Well, I would have to ask, let's say like this. There's a sink also over here in the garage, so that's really practical as well. And some cabinets. So winter in Florida is actually a great time to jump into your heated and chlorinated pool, which is awesome. Today it's still okay, it's not too cold. Basically I'm still with short sleeves, so when Floridians say it's cold, it means it's basically too cold for short sleeves and shorts. So, but today it's okay. Just the sun is missing a little. So I hope to see you here at this house. Please give me a call with any questions about this house or any other resales or new construction. And I'm Marta Vale with Realty One Group MVP. Thank you and God bless you.